Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to easily deactivate your Facebook account. If you're looking to take a break from Facebook or temporarily disable your account, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account. You can use either the mobile app or a desktop browser. Next, go to the menu in the top right corner, the one with the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Settings Privacy, then click on Settings.
Now in the Settings, click on Account Center. Scroll down and find Personal Details. Select it. Under Personal Details, you'll see an option called Account Ownership and Control. Select this to proceed.
On this page, select Deactivation and Deletion. You'll see 2 options here. You can either deactivate your account temporarily or permanently delete it. We'll go with deactivation today, so select Deactivate Account. Then click Continue to Account Deactivation. At this step, Facebook will ask for your password to confirm. Enter your password and move on to the next step. Facebook will then ask for the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Choose a reason, then click Continue. Finally, click the Deactivate button and your Facebook account will be deactivated successfully. Once deactivated, your profile won't be visible to others, but you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.